Alright guys, everyone's gone, so time to make a video. That's what I've been working on. Pipe rack, set a box right there so there's a little offset. Then there's a couple spares that end right there. And then this splits off the heaters. So that just needs to be pulled out a little bit because that strap is loose. So that'll pull that out and even that out. And then I'll keep going. And here's the pipes I was talking about yesterday, the three matching offsets, sorta. There's a little bigger gap right there, but that's what I was working on yesterday, and I finished today, the last pipe, and then threw them all in there. I just had to get the first one in there and then the two outside ones, so I couldn't work backwards. So the coworker yesterday got over to this middle section. I have my tool belt on, so it's a little clangy. But the coworker yesterday got over to this part over here, set a box. So he set this one box on the bottom, if I can find it. That one on the bottom, and then I started right here today, putting in like that 1 foot section, put in on the 4 11/16 box, and then running all this pipe down to the end over there, and then running those pipes there, and then turning the 90s. So those ones there 90, and then these ones here 90. So I'll walk over there, show you it, but for the most part, just super simple, just clamping that down to the beams and then sticking more sticks on 10 foot at a time. So yeah, so I'm gonna try not to run out of phone storage here. I only got limited amount of time and space. So I started this. These are the heaters going left and right. So I just set that box. It needs to be straightened out at the end right there because I had to come down and talk to the guy for a second at the end of the day. So those heaters turn off, and then it's just that last lighting pipe right here. Did a single offset. I did a 4-point saddle, but he made me take it down because he didn't want all the bends in it. So I was pretty proud of my 4-point, but now it's just a single. And then I went on the bottom of this, which I should have gone on the side of it, so it was easier to get in this box, because this box right here kind of just slides over to the side when it should have. If I would have gone from the side, it would have been easier to roll into the box, but oh well, next time. And then the lighting is going left and right to pick up all the outside light whips, which are right here, like right there. So these lightings will go left and right all the way down, and then this heating will go right and left all the way down to pick up the heaters at each of these orange spots. So that is about all I can explain for you today, and I'm probably gonna run out of space, so I want to say thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome weekend. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed, hit that like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It'd help me out a lot. I will see you guys soon, back on Monday, if not sooner. And that'll do it, guys. Thanks, appreciate it. Love you guys. Thanks for the support. See you later.